Hello friend, welcome back. If you are testing the links on Google Doc or Google Sheet, and if you are facing the challenge testing those links one by one, because there is no tool out there yet which can help you guys automatically fetch all these links from the sheet and get their HTTP status code, then let me show you this tool which will help you guys solving this problem, that automatically fetch all the links, detect all the links in your sheet, Google Sheet or Google Doc, and get the HTTP status code for those links, and let you know that which links are broken, which are valid, invalid, etc. Simple tool, check my links. You can download it from here, from the SelectorsHub website. You can see that this is the check my links, and click on the logo of check my links here. This is a free browser extension. It will automatically read all the links from your doc. You see that here there are 10 links in this page. Which all 10 links are this here, and you can see the report. Let me show you this one. This is a Google Sheet here, and you just click on the logo. It will read all the links from this page as well and let you know if there are any valid or invalid. You can see that 2 invalid links. Click on this and it will show you which are 2 valid. So this is a very simple tool, also works on every web page as well. If you open any website like this, click on the link, click on the logo of check my links, and it will show you the result here. So it works for all the web pages, and it also works for the Google Doc and Google Sheet. Only tool which works for this kind of application like Google Doc and Google Sheet, from where it can fetch the links and let you know the result. You can download it from the here, install this, and it is available pretty much for all the browsers. And you can see that more than 90,000 active users are there on Chrome, and 5-star rated tool. Do try it, and I'm sure you will love it. If you love it, please do let us know your rating and review here in the Chrome store. Please do rate it with a good rating and share it with others. Thank you. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.